All right. Happy winter. My name is Alex. This is Redbeard Adventures, and I do videos on all sorts of everything. We live in this RV full time. We call it our tiny house. That is Megan.
Hi.
And I have a couple of things that I got because winter is coming. So I wanted to show you some that I've already installed, show you one more that I got, and then one more other little thing. So let's jump. All right, this is, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this video because Megan keeps yelling at everyone. All right, I got these to cover the vent for the furnace, the intake and exhaust vent for the furnace. This is a extension for the propane tanks. So there are two propane tanks here, one on this side, one on that side, both 20 pounds. And the bottom is open. So I am going to use that extension and run it to a bigger 40-pound tank that lasts us about 2 weeks. So here we go. So the two other must-have winter accessories that I got is this heated hose, and then underneath this insulation all the way down to the bottom is a heat strip that I got that's right here, plugs in. So that keeps the pipes from freezing and the hose from freezing. That puts water into the RV. So here is I'm jumping all over the place. Here is the vent that this is going to go on, so I'll do that now. All right, so these pieces go on super simply. There's one there. There's this tool that comes with it, and you just push the spring. Push the spring so that it hooks on there, and then it just is held on. I don't know if you can see that. It's held on with a spring over the vent.
Did you bring everything?
All right, here is the propane extension, and I'm going to put it on this side. There you can see where it hooks up. That normally goes to this bottle, but I'm going to run it out the bottom so it can hook onto the other one. All right, and that works perfectly. So it's hooked up, runs out the bottom there, and then I hook it right to this tank here. All right, there you have it. A couple of modifications to make winter camping, full-time RV living, tiny house living, whatever we want to call it today, a little easier and more bearable. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please let me know in the comments if there's a question you have about winterizing or full-time living or any kind of hacks that we might have come across. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.